Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm back. And I promised you that I will tell you more about the products of eco racing and how it can help us to keep our immunity system high and keep the coronavirus away. Alright, let's start with this. It's called the LVN strawberry or the collagen. Okay, what it does, this is how it looks like. In one box there will be 10 sachets and one sachet per day. Take it 1 hour or 2 hours before sleep. Okay, there are some people who find that after taking this they are very energetic and they cannot sleep, so you can take it in the morning. Okay, but it's better to take it at night if you can sleep. It doesn't affect your sleep because it will repair your cells while you sleep. So number one, it will repair your digestive system, and there are many vitamins and minerals in here that will also assist in getting rid of the free radicals, okay, in our body, keep our body immunity high, and of course you'll find that if you have freckles and pigmentation, it will be gone in 3 days. Your wrinkles, it will be gone in, well, depends. Okay, some people have it lessened in one box. That's 10 days, and the skin becomes glowing and the radiance shows. Definitely a good organic product that is not expensive. Okay, very affordable. Okay, if you have not tried the collagen, try it. We have it in stock in Singapore right now, and take one a day just to keep your immune system high and the coronavirus away. Okay, you see the apple behind me? We don't keep our doctors away now, we keep the coronavirus away. Okay, more products coming up next. If you haven't tried the collagen, try it now. Tastes good, it's not too sweet. Diabetics, yes, you can take it as well because they are using cane extract, not sugar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.